What is up guys, it's Mr. Fantastic here and we are our first real life look at the Galaxy Quantum 2 / the Galaxy A82. So it is an upper mid-range phone. It is the successor to the Galaxy A Quantum, which was released in South Korea last year and was basically a rebranded A71 5G. And the Galaxy A80 released 2 years back with that crazy pop-up camera with dual rotation. Now before you guys get confused, let me break it down for you. So Galaxy Quantum 2 and the Galaxy A82 are basically the same, the difference being that the Quantum 2 has a quantum security chip, so it is a bit secure and is going to be exclusive to South Korea. But both of them have the same specs and the same design. Now with that out of the way, let's talk about its design. So it looks pretty good. It is actually pretty similar to the Galaxy A52 and A72. The camera module kind of blends into the back and has the same color as the phone, and it honestly looks pretty good. It is made of plastic and it has a matte finish. We can see a triple camera setup on the back with an LED flash, which I'll get to in a minute. And it also has IP67 water and dust resistance, and the size of it is the same as the Galaxy S21 Plus. Now there were reports a couple of months back that the Galaxy A82 will have a crazy dual slider mechanism with sliding cameras and a sliding speaker, which seemed kinda crazy. I don't know what happened to that, but it looks like that it is not happening. I think it was just a patent and did not hit mass production. As of the cameras, there is a triple camera setup with a 64 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization and possibly an ultrawide camera and a telephoto camera. Both of them may be 12 megapixels. And it may also support 8K since it has a flagship processor, which I'll get to in a second. And I think that these cameras will be quite solid and will perform pretty good. Talking about the display, it is pretty much the same as the S20 Plus, but with slightly lower resolution. It is a 6.7-inch 1080p AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and it is slightly curved at the edges, giving it a sleek look. It has a small hole punch in the middle housing a selfie camera, and there is also an on-display optical fingerprint scanner. As of the specs, we have 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of base storage, and it is also expandable. It also has 5G, and surprisingly it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus, which is a 2-year-old flagship processor, and it was used inside of the Galaxy Z Flip, and it still performs like champ and it is pretty fast and efficient. So I think it's a great decision by Samsung, but again, I still have no idea why the hell is Samsung not using their incredibly good Exynos 1080 mid-range chipset, which performs like a 2021 flagship at a lower price. So it's kind of a bummer. It also has 4500 mAh battery, and it will also support 25 watt of fast charging, but it will come with a 15 watt fast charger out of the box. And speaking of which, it won't have any earphones or a clear case out of the box. It will just have a cable and a charger inside of it. The pre-orders of it will start from April 13 in South Korea, where you can get the Buds Live and a clear case free with it, and it will be officially launched on April 23rd and will also be launched globally soon. As of the price, I expect it to be somewhere between $600 and $700 because it is an upper mid-range phone and it also has 5G. So that's all I got today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about it. Make sure to drop a like on this video. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff, and turn those bell notifications on. And I'll see you guys very soon in the next video.